How to remove lines from iPhone camera. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera app on your iPhone. You will see grid lines in the camera. To remove them, go ahead and open up the Settings application. Settings allow you to customize and control your devices. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the camera option and tap on it. This section lets you adjust various settings for your iPhone's camera. In the camera settings, scroll down to find the grid option and tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. Now, you can return to the home screen and open the camera app. As you can see, the grid lines are no longer visible on the screen, providing a clear view. Following these steps, you can easily remove lines from the iPhone camera. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.